Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the volume indicator in TradingView. If your chart feels a bit crowded and you want more space to focus on price action, removing the volume indicator is a quick way to declutter. The volume pane is that row of vertical bars, usually sitting at the bottom of your chart. It reflects how many shares, contracts, or units were traded during each bar or candle. While it's useful sometimes, especially when you want to analyze volume spikes or trends in market activity, you don't need it visible all the time. This is particularly true when you're analyzing structure, drawing levels, or presenting a clean screenshot for sharing with your team or clients. Removing the volume indicator can help you declutter your chart, allowing you to focus on the more critical aspects like price action or trend lines. It's especially helpful if you're a beginner and want to avoid distractions, or if you're working on specific setups like identifying support and resistance levels, which can be hard to see with too much information on the chart. Plus, for those who like to share their screen or create content, having a cleaner view can make your analysis look more professional and easier to understand. Here's how to do it in the simplest way possible. First, move your mouse cursor over the area where the volume bars appear on your chart. You don't need to click anything yet, just hover. When you're in the right place, you should see that the indicators panel becomes active. This tells TradingView you're working with that specific section of the chart. Think of it as TradingView recognizing that you want to make adjustments to that specific part of your workspace, rather than messing with other parts of the chart. Next, guide your cursor up to the top left corner of that same volume panel. You'll see the indicator's name there, typically reading Volume, along with a small row of icons that appears when you hover. These icons usually include a settings gear, a visibility toggle, and a trash can. If you don't see them immediately, make sure you're hovering directly over the indicator's title area, not the main price chart or another panel. It's easy to mistake the area around the price chart for the volume section, so double check that you're hovering in the right place. Now, click the trash can icon. The moment you do, TradingView removes the volume indicator from your chart. You'll notice the chart automatically resizes to use the extra space, giving you a cleaner, more focused view of price. There's no extra confirmation dialog in most layouts, so the change is instant. It's a very straightforward process. Just click and you're done. You'll immediately notice that your chart now has more room for the price action, which can be a game changer for traders who focus more on technical analysis or visualizing patterns. A couple of quick notes to keep everything smooth. This walkthrough is for the desktop browser interface. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Access the indicator's title area and choose the delete option. TradingView ensures that the basic functions are still consistent across both platforms, even if the visual layout may vary slightly. If your chart is very zoomed out or compact, you might need to move the cursor carefully to reveal those icons. Hovering precisely over the indicator's name is key. It can be a bit tricky if you're zoomed out too much, but once you find the correct spot, you'll see those options pop up. And if your chart still looks busy afterward, that simply means other indicators remain the same. The hover and trash approach applies to them as well. You can follow the same process to remove any other indicators that may be crowding your chart. Removing unneeded indicators is a great way to improve your focus and simplify your analysis. So don't hesitate to clean up as much as you need. And there you go. Your chart is now cleaner and easier to read. With fewer distractions, you'll have a clearer view of price action, allowing you to make more informed decisions. That's all. Happy trading!